Thanks, Chase. An annual conference for home care nurses is taking place in Wausau this week.
Our own Carrie Bladorn traveled to Wausau to learn more about how the event is benefiting healthcare workers in our area.
The Wisconsin professional home care providers are hosting their annual conference in Wausau this week, giving private duty nurses in Wisconsin a chance to network, brush up on state-required education, and changes within the profession.
The goals of the conference are to be able to network with other nurses in independent practice, to put faces with the names for the people from the state, from DHS, that you are working directly with, to educate, and for a one-stop shop for all of your certifications that are required to maintain your nursing license and care for the clients in their home.
The Wisconsin PHP is a nonprofit volunteer-based group that provides resources for independent nurses working with clients throughout the state.
And PHP really helped me learn a lot about how to become a private duty nurse, an independent nurse, and also how to do our billing and how to provide the supports and follow all of the required mandated services that the state of Wisconsin has requirements for.
This week's conference saw speakers ranging from the Department of Health Services to the Office of the Inspector General, as well as providing continuing education classes such as basic life support recertification.
It's really important to come here because you learn a lot of ins and outs about how to set up the supports for people in their homes well, how to follow all of the mandates that's required for independent nurses, and then just to learn about our new system for electronic visit verifications, basically to learn from each other as well. And I think that's a really important part of PHP.
The need for independent nurses continues to grow in the state. Nurses like Janet Estervig explain why they enjoy working in the profession.
It's extremely rewarding work, and you have the opportunity to make personal connections with your patients or clients, as we call them, and be able to really help support them to have a full life in their community and in their own home.
With hundreds of Wisconsinites at home requiring medical care outside of a facility, these independent nurses fill an important role. And this conference helps them to provide the best care possible. Reporting from Wausau, I'm Carrie Bladorn with Newswatch 12.